Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. This video is regarding M.Tech, Master of Design and Ph.D. admissions in IIT Kanpur through GATE 2026, dear students. To see the application related information and what are the specializations that are available, so you can go to the website iitk.ac.in/doaa/pg admission/. So once you go into this URL, so you can see here notice for admission to PhD, M.Tech, Master of Design, MS by Research programs 2026-2027 first semester. Now here you can see the programs offered for M.Tech program. So for admission to July 2026 semester. So here you can see aerospace engineering, unmanned aerial systems engineering, biological sciences and bioengineering, biomedical engineering, then chemical engineering, civil engineering, cognitive systems, computer science and engineering, earth sciences, electrical engineering, intelligent systems, interdisciplinary program on material science, Kotak science of sustainability, management sciences, material science and engineering, mechanical engineering, photonics science and engineering, space, planetary and astronomical sciences and engineering, sustainable energy engineering. Similarly, MS by research program is there, aerospace engineering only in aerodynamics, flight mechanics, propulsion and structures, chemical engineering, civil engineering only in environmental engineering, structural engineering, cognitive science, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, intelligent systems, mechanical engineering, photonics science and engineering, sustainable energy engineering. Then M.Tech MS by research in cyber security. This is only for sponsored part-time external candidate without financial assistantship. So kindly go through this carefully, dear students. Master of Design program is there. PhD also in aerospace, biological sciences and bioengineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil, cognitive science, computer science and engineering, design, earth sciences, economic sciences, electrical engineering, humanities and social sciences, intelligent systems. Like this, there are so many specializations. You can go through this. So coming to the general information, here you can see Indian citizens, reservations, EWS, SC, ST, OBC, NCL, DAP shall apply as per Government of India norms. For application form, reference letter form, information brochure, eligibility criteria and other relevant details, please visit the important links. I'll show you the important links here, dear students. You can see here carefully. So apply online is there, contact the departments, format of undertakings are there here. So you can see the eligibility criteria, financial assistantship related information, information brochure and frequently asked questions. So here you can see the various kinds of certificates pro forma, and here you can download as per your category, dear students. And see here, the OBC NCL certificate will be valid if issued on or after April 1, 2025. See, this is very important, dear students. So these certificates, you have to be very much careful. See, if you have taken before April 1st, 2025, you will not be eligible. So try to be very careful, take the fresh certificate as there is time. So however, your admission offer, if any, will be provisional and subject to submission of OBC NCL certificate issued after April 1st, 2026 at the time of registration on July 27, 2026. So that means, see, even if you have taken this OBC NCL certificate after April 1st, 2025, that will be provisional and you have to take a new certificate which is after April 1st, 2026 and submit it by July 27, 2026. That is what is the information he has given. So kindly go through this information. For part-time students, information is there, external students information is there, sponsored students information is there. So for external sponsored part-time applicants, NOC pro forma is also given. Kindly go through this information very carefully, dear students. Now let us get back here. So click the link for the concerned department to get detailed information about that department. So that is what he has given. Students who are in the final year of their program, likely to finish the program by July 27, 2026, may also apply and secure provisional admission for the session commencing in July 2026, dear students. So financial support, institute assistantship, scholarship will be provided to non-sponsored PhD, M.Tech and MS by research, Master of Design students. So this is what he is giving. So withdrawal from the program related information is given, documents required for withdrawal request is given, and foreign nationals related information is also given. So kindly go through all this information carefully, dear students. Now coming to how to apply. The application portal will be available from March 19th, 2026 Thursday 2 p.m. to April 13, 2026 Monday 2 p.m. So April 13, 2026 Monday 2 p.m. Up to that, the portal will be open, dear students, and the portal is already opened on March 19, 2026. See, M.Tech, M.Des, M.S. by Research, Ph.D. program, applicants are requested to register and submit their applications through the given on apply online page. So that is what is the information given. Application fee is rupees 500 for general, EWS, OBC and OBC NCL candidates, and rupees 250 for SC, ST and all DAP candidates. The application fee is waived for candidates in the foreign national category. Application fee is non-refundable. A separate application form is to be filled for each program or department. So try to understand this one carefully, dear students. So as per the cutoff, you try to choose which departments you want to choose and then apply, so that you can apply for the programs with minimum fee payment, dear students. Now coming to the apply online button. So here, once you go and click on apply online, here M.Tech, anyone eligible. So click here, link will be active tentatively from 25th March 2026 Wednesday 2 p.m. to 13th April 2026 2 p.m. So steps to be followed is given. For Master of Design, MS by Research, PhD, here another link is there, dear students. So once you click on these links, so let us say you have clicked on this link, the portal will open like this, the information here. So you can see new user register here. So you have to fill the entire information, email ID, contact number, date of birth, title. So here Mr. or Mrs., Doctor, all these things are given. So first name, middle name, last name, username, password, re-enter password, and you have to enter the CAPTCHA and then click on register. Okay, so this is the first step what you have to do. Once you register, so you will get the credentials, and based on the credentials you have to log in and then fill the entire details, dear students. For that, he has given the steps to be followed. See, please refer to the link for more details. So first of all, you need to have a COAP number. So for that, so you need to enter the COAP ID, that is mandatory in this particular field, dear students. So this is the first step what you have to do after registering. So here name of the applicant will be there, category, all this information will be there. So then you have to go for filling the forms. Okay, so the entire procedure is given. So kindly go through this procedure very carefully. So before filling, so remember that COAP ID is mandatory for filling these application forms and choosing the departments. So COAP portal will open shortly, dear students. So you can see https://gate.iitr.ac.in/COAP 2026. So this is the official URL to register in the COAP portal, that is also given here. So kindly go through that. So already I have shown you the important links related information. So here coming to the institute assistantship. So as per government norms, 22 months stipend will be provided, dear students. So for M.Tech, Master of Design and MS by Research programs, and up to 5 years for PhD candidates. So that is what he has given. So kindly go through this information related to financial assistantship also. Then here you can see postgraduate admissions. So gate paper eligibility for M.Tech programs in all departments. So here you can see eligibility requirement is there at the top. So if you click on the eligibility requirement, this part will open. So here you can see gate paper code eligibility for M.Tech programs in all departments, gate paper code eligibility for PhD programs in all departments, gate paper code eligibility for MSR programs in all departments, gate paper code eligibility for Master of Design programs. So this is what is given, and here list of CFTIs. So that is also given. Kindly go through this information carefully, dear students. So coming to the gate paper code related information, here you can see a 22-page document will open. So on the left side, you can see the gate paper codes, dear students. So these are the gate paper codes and to which department you are eligible. So aerospace engineering M.Tech is there. So aerospace engineering candidates are eligible for all the things. The students who have written aerospace engineering gate paper, they are eligible to apply for all specializations. Whereas civil engineering people have some specializations, chemical have some specializations. So like this, computer science have some specializations. Like this, he has given the entire information. So kindly go through this information before applying, dear students. Okay, so there is this 22-page document for every specialization correspondent gate code, so which is required for admission into that particular department or that particular specialization is clearly given. So you can see, and accordingly you can plan for applying for this M.Tech programs, dear students. Okay, so once again, so let me show you the important dates, so which are very, very important here, dear students. So 25th March 2026 Wednesday 2 p.m. to 13th April 2026 2 p.m. So this is the tentative date where you can apply for M.Tech programs once you have got the COAP ID. Okay, so first you have to register in the COAP portal, and then using that COAP ID you have to register for these programs. Okay, thank you, all the very best, dear students.